guys, today pupunta kami ng playground po sa likod lang po namin. Let's go. Bye. Okay guys, pupunta na tayo ng playground. Palabas na po tayo. Ito po yung nilaban po namin. Tapos dito po yung daanan po sa playground po. Papunta na po tayo. Okay guys, papunta na tayo guys. Okay guys. Ito po yung place po. Ito po yung ano po, yung historic site of commune. Ito po. Hindi po ito yung playground po. Ito po lang. Ito po ay park po. Guys, dito naman tayo. Okay guys, papunta na tayo. Malapit lang po. Ito po yung playground. Taas lang po tayo dito po. Ayun po yung playground po. Ito po yung mga table po so kapag gusto mo po kumain. Tataas ka po dito. Tataas ka po dito. Tapos ito po yung playground. Hanap muna tayo ng upuan. Okay guys, ito po. May upuan po dito. Okay guys, ito po yung playground. Start ko po doon. Ito po ano tayo ng dito po. Mahirap po gawin to po. Ito naman po, hindi naman hirap. Tapos tataas po tayo dito sa malaking slide po. Okay guys, 3, 2, 1, go! Wow! Tapos punta naman tayo dito. Tapos punta tayo dito. Okay guys, mag-slide na ako. 3, 2, 1. Tapos ayun naman yung color green. Ito pa. 3, 2, 1, go. Dapat may camera ako. Ayun po yung string, puntahan ko po. Mainit pa po. Kaya magsiswing po dito. Tapos papunta ulit ako sa color red po na slide kasi masaya po yun. Hindi po. Careful lang po kayo. Tapos dito po, ganyan po siya. Okay guys, papunta na tayo. Okay guys, I'm resting because I'm so tired of playing in the playground. Just eating my snacks. And done. Gonna go to the playground again. I really like this one. So, good. Go up here. Up here. Up here. Up here. And then, guys, we're gonna go up here, guys. Gonna walk here. And then, guys, I'm gonna go to the slide. So, hello, guys. Okay, now we're gonna slide. In 3, 2, 1, go. Wow! That was so fun. Okay, guys, now we're gonna go restart there. Gonna go up here, and then go right here, and then go right here, and then this is so jiggly, guys. Look. And then gonna go right here. Hi, guys. Then we're gonna go right over the red slide again because it's so fun. So, okay, guys. Hello, guys. Ready, set, go. Whoa. Okay, guys, that was so fun. Okay, guys, bye. Okay, guys, we're gonna go back home. So I'm gonna video of going back home, guys. Okay, guys, I'm just gonna grab my backpack. Okay, guys, we're gonna go. Let's go to the house now. Let's go home now. Okay, now we're gonna go back. And I don't have school, and my brother has sailing. Then we're gonna go here, guys. Okay, guys, we're gonna go back home. Gonna go down here. Come on. This is so close to our house, the playground. Okay, we're gonna go now. Now we're gonna walk here. Hey guys, it's so hot. Don't forget to drink water. This is so close to our house. Look, the playground's there, and our house is right there. We're just gonna walk and walk. Uh-huh. We're gonna go here. Then, guys, we're gonna go here. Bye for now. Bye, guys. Today we're gonna count in Chinese, but first we're gonna count in English. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then now we're gonna count in Chinese. First, yat, yi, sam, say, look, chat, but, gao, sap. That is how you count in Chinese.